Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Feathers up. We're not just talking, we actually living it. It's a great granddad's day. How y'all doing? Sun shining. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, daily uploads. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com, or you can DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there already, make sure you guys go do that. And we also got a business course for those who want to start a business and don't know how to, or if you guys do have one and you further want to enhance it. We got that in the link for the description box for you. And I wanted to say is we have our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Make sure you go check us out. We got one-of-a-kind artwork there. And also, too, we got our amazing American apparel. Go check us out, man. Yeah. But what I wanted to say is, like, right now, freaking use condom. These people, yeah, this is about to correlate to what I'm talking about. It's a lot of how you say, it's an intense feeling, most definitely. First of all, it's kind of a lot of stuff I didn't want to necessarily talk about because I didn't want to get my focus to, but I just didn't want to. Damn, these people are filthy. What the frick? This place got filthier, nigga. Come, what do you want? It's just a goddamn shame, man. People don't treat this land with respect. Ain't got no respect at all. Got no respect at all. By the way, if y'all want to see Ace, where's Ace? He got a fur cut. Gave him a fur cut. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, we got our American meaning shirts. You dig? This is gonna shut a lot of them motherfuckers up. Shut the B-Lax. Tell the B-Lax who they are. A lot don't know. There's some that do, but they agents and they want to go against it, claiming what they want because they don't want to be accountable. This right here shuts foreigners up, because as you see, you do your face paint or whatever. And then look at this, yo. You got this right here. You got this right here. This is available at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You guys go get it. Great. Like I said, we got amazing apparel. I got it on today. Like I said, because I said today's a powerful day. They see a face paint. They might say, what does that face paint mean? You know what I'm saying? It's my cultural attire. Like, oh, what is your cultural attire? You can tell them to read it out loud. Sometimes they won't even read it out loud. Bitch asses. I said it to a B-Lack before. Real talk. It was a time when I seen the green, when I had on the green face paint. Y'all saw that one. I need to put on more green. I'm going to use a green face paint later, but today we're going with something else because it's previously recorded, of course, but this is an Instagram live today. Plan on doing our face paint today on there, so yeah. And what I was saying is, as well as, oh, they go see a feather, but what's your feathers for? What the frick you think it's for, bitch? You know what it's for. It's my cultural attire. Oh, what's your culture? Take a guess. I tell them take a guess because I swear to gosh, I got so many stories. So many stories. I probably could write a book on it. Probably could write a book alone just on how many stories, just the encounters of my feathers and whatnot. Yeah. Crazy. Let me go like this so y'all can see me better. Why does this nigga keep sending me that? I'm just looking at the message I'm getting. But I was talking about, it's an intense feeling, dog. And I was trying not to avoid certain things because I didn't want to speak on it and, really get my focus to it because that's a part of one's attack. Because what you focus on grows, most definitely. But what I'm saying is this, man. I think I'm coming into the position as far as, hey, I know that I am leaving and I know that I have to go, but it's kind of like how fast, how to go, what steps, and what settings, and what comes next, and what all goes about that. Because if I just do this, I can just go, but I don't want to just go blindly and then have to use a lot of what could be used in order to acquire something else. And I say that, but it's almost like, hey, let's do this for our own sanity. Let's do this for our own clarity at this point, because we don't want to burn out a lot of something that can be used to acquire something else. You dig what I'm saying? For just something that's shortly when we don't necessarily know the plan and preposition. But it's just almost to get into intensity where it's like, and certain agitator is being doing things to agitate. And I think it's as far as the body is just coming as far as resistance to their disease that they are trying to spread on you and your loved one, being Ace right here. So just immediate stop, and it's just so desperate for attention. I mean, frick. And it's just such a liar. No accountability. Just a freaking bitch. A big ass bitch. I think it might be that motherfucking go on that one. But it's like, do we go to somewhere, another place inside the building? You know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to tell you like that. Or do we just wait? Because it's like, frick, I got to do some looking and research. I get some clarity, but it's hard to get clarity when you're amongst this negative entity. Or when they're amongst you. Because all clarity, all happiness returns when you go. And it's kind of like, too, I said to myself, do I go and answer this thing? Because I think I got to answer even at my own pace, even if I'm doing something. Because that's just something else. I'm just getting sick and tired of this. Certain things like this, you're able to speak on this and be able to express on it in such a manner as far as and speak on it in this way, so you don't necessarily give immediate focus to it. You dig? Because this is something they want. They want to see you. They want to see you so focused on them, whether you hate what they're doing. Because if you're not loving them, they still love that you hate them, and that you're expressing the hate to them. Because that's strength to them. It was like, yes, I finally got attention. They're so desperate and needy for attention. That's what they love. So yeah. I'm so glad we're getting into this strength as far as even a decision, as far as even to cut off a flying monkey to somebody we thought we were close. Yeah. And another thing too, I wanted to say this too, as much as why you guys probably haven't noticed the difference, but we haven't been filming as much because we wanted just to pause a little bit, gain some clarity, get some other things situated, and do some other things. But look how beautiful that forest and nature is. Look how part of nature is. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is, man. Frick. We haven't, been posting and, filming as much, I should say, because we've been doing daily uploads still, but it's like we haven't been filming as much, just because of we wanted to gain some type of clarity, get the thoughts right. Get the thoughts right, for sure. And just so we can gain and whatnot. But I'm still glad that we're still able to put out content and whatnot. Did I upload today? I gotta upload today on YouTube actually. But yeah, that was just it. Just wanted to be transparent with y'all. You dig? Because I feel like everybody else is simply they try to act as if they already got it. Everything is all easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Life isn't made to be a huskering struggle, if that's the correct correct vernacular. If not, yeah, it is correct because that's how we're feeling, most definitely. Made to be lived. And there's a lot of people existing. And I think there's a lot of people that's just comfortable with that. You know what should be comfortable with? Growth. So if you guys want growth, you guys can book a one-on-one consultation by emailing us or just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Get our business course. Get your amazing American Meaning shirt like this. And at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as you can get our one-of-a-kind artwork. Yeah. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. Peace, love, and light, y'all.